Hello, buongiorno a tutto il mondo, come stiamo? Tutto a posto? Tutto a posto qua. Oggi abbiamo con una canzone tradizionale, fantastica, molto è triste, una canzone triste che parla della morte, che però è una canzone antica, è una canzone che ha pigliato ispirazione a una poesia, a una melodia del 600 addirittura, stiamo parlando di 500 anni fa, 400 anni fa. E, però la poesia all'ultima pubblicazione è del 1842. Reading Neapolitan Fenesta Calucive, guys. Reading Neapolitan 21 Fenesta Caluciva by Giulio Genoino. Fenesta Caluciva è una canzone napolitana pubblicata dall'anno 1842 all'edizione Girard come un'opera e Guglielmo Cotrò, un noto famoso editore di melodie napolitana, e Vincenzo Bellini per la musica e Giulio Genuino per il testo. È stata ripubblicata in 1854 con l'arricchimento e eroi strofa fatta all'editore Mariano Paulella. La canzone, che la tradizione orale volesse che fosse stata ricavata una melodia napolitana seicentesca, nota all'epoca è Masaniello, a sua volta tratta è una poesia siciliana rucinducenta di Matteo di Ganci, ispirata a storia della baronessa Carini, Palermo, accisa in dall'anno 1563 con l'amante. Ma ricordo quando ero pizzerilla, quando ero in Guaglione, per televisione facettero sceneggiate, facettero dei broadcast when I was young, many years ago, a series of the Baronessa di Carini. Very beautiful, even if it's a sad story, but it's amazing. I will never forget. The Fenesta Caluciva. I read first in Neapolitan, okay, then line by line English Neapolitan. Fenesta Caluciva e mo non luce, signa che nenna mia sta ammalata, s'affaccia la sorella e mo dice, e me lo dice. Nella toia è morta e si è atterrata, chiagneva sempre che dormiva sola, mo dorme con li morta accompagnata, mo dorme con li morta accompagnata. Va rinda a chiesa, va rinda a chiesa e scopre tutto avuto, vire nella toia come è tornato. Ara che la bocca che nasce ne sciura, mo nasce nei virma. Oh che pietà. O sì, parrucchiano mia, abbi cura, una lampa sempre tiene allumata. Beautiful, beautiful. English Neapolitan, okay, line by line. The window which used to shine shines for me no more. Finestra caluciva e mo non luce. The window, a sign. After we will have some insight. A sign my beloved is sick, segna che nenna mia sta ammalata. Her sister appeared and told me. S'affaccia la sorella e mo dice. Your beloved is dead and buried. Nella toia è morta e si è atterrata. crying always. She was always crying for she slept alone. Piangeva sempre che dormiva sola. Now she sleeps accompanied by the dead. Mo dorme con li morti accompagnata. And now she sleeps accompanied by the dead. Mo dorme con li morti accompagnata. Going to the church and found her casket. Va in da chiesa e scopre l'ho avuto. Look at your beloved one as if she came back. Mira nella toia come è tornata, come si è ridotta, how she is now. From those lips flowers used to come out. A quella bocca nascevano sciure. Now worms come out of them. Oh, what a pity. Mo nescene li vierma, oh che pietà. You, my priest, father, take care of her. Oh sì, parrucchiana mia, abbi sicuro. Always keep a candle lit for her. Una lampa sempre tienci allampata. I have to make some correction to the English. Okay, now we will do now making line by line. Ok, allora, finestra che usciva mo non luce. The window which used to shine shines for me no more. It's okay, perfect. That's a sign, segna, a sign, che nella mia, a sign, my beloved, Nenna is è un messeggiativo, no? Is a beautiful way how we address our beloved. Stace ammalata, is sick, okay? Stace, sta, is that in Italian and Neapolitan we translate with the verb to stay, but exactly in English we say is. Okay, the verb to be. Is sick, ammalata. Hersi s'affaccia a sorella mia. A sorella e mo dice. Okay, now guys, here we have to. You may find sometimes they pronounce modice, other times you may hear melodice. Melodice is more traditional, archaic, okay? Is more letterarian, okay? Let's say, okay? Her sister, la sorella, s'affaccia, appeared, okay? Si s'affaccia, S apostrophe affaccia, si affaccia is reflexive form, ok? Si affaccia, he face off herself, ok? That doesn't make sense, doesn't make sense just to say, ok? E me lo dice, and told me, nella toia, your beloved è morta, is dead, e si è atterrata, and buried. Also here is a strange form to put a reflexive form for a dead person, e se atterrata, like to say literally in Italian, si è atterrata, and she buried herself. That doesn't make sense, but is an interaction, you know, is a poetic and sounding way of Neapolitan language, okay, si è atterrata. Crying, let's say it's like she commit suicide, no, but in truth she was killed, because she was killed. Piangeva sempre, crying always, she crying always. Okay. Maybe here in the translation they have omitted she was crying always because of the musical meters, most probably. Piangeva sempre, che dormiva sola, crying always for she slept alone. dormeva sola, that she slept alone. Dormiva, dormiva, where she was sleeping. Okay, she was always sleeping alone. Mo mo, also here. Okay, mo also here. Allora, Rorma usually is second person singular, Rorm. But sometimes here so should be read Rorm because it's the third person. Okay. Il Rorm, tu Rorm, es Rorm. Okay. But sometimes also here it's not really precisely the precise to exactly to understand the pronunciation, because also here you can read Rorm or Rorm, okay. Sometimes it's also a matter of musicality, no? I mean, it comes natural sometimes to you to pronounce Rorm, even if it should be Rorm or vice versa, okay? Culimurta accompagnata. Accompanied by the dead, ok. Va in da chiesa e scopre l'utavuta. Here is a wrong translation because it's not going the gerund form. This is an imperative form. Go to the church and found her casket. E scopre, found is to find, cercare, e cerca, trova. Ma in this case is wrong translated because Varindak is scopre l'utavuta and open her casket. So, and found, and also past, so it's wrong, totally wrong. And open her casket. Ok, l'utavuto, her. Lu è article, il. Tavuto is the coffin, okay, the casket. Sometimes I leave even if I realize that there is some mistakes, both also from Italian to Neapolitan, because not all the Neapolitan version they have the same writing and phonetics and orthoepia, because I found a lot of differences, also mistakes in applying accent, for example, or elision, that is very common in Neapolitan, double consonant, so I try to make happy both way, but you know what, I prefer the traditional, okay, so same like here. Va in da chiesa. Va in da chiesa is not a gerund, is not present. It's an imperative for, like to say, go to the church. That's the sister of the dead girl is saying to the man, go. But here, the English translation, they put going to the church. No, absolutely not. But I left the mistake so that I can hear in real time, correct, and explain to you why, okay, the mistakes. So that for me is the most important, because we are doing a Neapolitan lesson. You know what I mean. So that's my purpose. Prendiamo due piccioni con una fava. How to say in English? We do two things in one. I forgot the saying in English. Va in da chiesa, go to the church and open her casket and scopre l'utavuto. Look at your beloved one. Vira nella toia. Look at your beloved one. Okay. Come è tornata. As if she came back. Oh mamma mia, that is horrible. Allora, come è tornata doesn't want to say how she came back. No, because tornare in Italian can mean, or in Napolitano, of course, in this case, means also how he is now, okay? How he reduced herself, the body, the condition. So the translation is totally misunderstood, okay, and also wrong because it's in the past tense. No, that is now is present because she is still in that condition, actual condition of dead body. No, so his body is rotting, so she's bad now. Okay, the skin, So, allora, Toya come è tornata? So, let's correct this one. As if she came back. As if. What if? There is no sense to put this if. As she is now. Or as she came back. As she looks now, also because you will understand on the next lines why I changed this. Okay, as she looks now. From those lips, aquella boca. Boca is boca, mouth. Okay, but in English, okay, that's beautiful. From those lips. That's amazing. That's beautiful. We are still in the poetry, in the musicality, in the meter. So I totally accept that he changed from mouth to lips. It's beautiful in English to say lips. Flowers used to come out. Avoca che nascea nasciura, che from which ne uscivano, nasceano, ne uscivano sure, dalla quale bocca, from which usually flowers come out. Okay, nascevano sure is a fiore, flower. Sure, singular, flower, sure, flowers, plural. Okay, asceano, past, in past perfect. Ok, uscivano, ne uscivano, ne is a particle. Ok? Nascevano sure. Pronouns, ne uscivano, sì. Allora, then, mo nationally virm. Now worms come out of them. Okay? What a pity. Oh, che pietà. Okay? Yeah. I agree. Okay, I feel to approve this translation. Mo nationally virm. Okay, the worms. You, my priest, father. I would have translated you, father. My priest, I don't know. Okay, leave as it is. Take care of her. Parrucchiano mio. Parrucchiana is parrocchiano, father. O zi, allora, zi is a familiar. It's a familiar way how we call people that we have some affection, and since the priest, the father, we consider like our uncle. Okay, that's why we use in Napolitana zia o zia. Okay, zi parrucchiano mia, abbici cura, take care of her. Okay, abbici cura in Italian is abbiate. Okay, is a formal poetic way. Okay, abbiate cura di lei, that you will find this form, verb form, in the clerical, in the Bible, in the prayers, abbiate cura di noi, Always keep a candle lit for her. Beautiful. Una lampa lit, lampa, sempre, always, tienece, lit, keep, keep, tienece, illuminata. Tieni a lei, tienece, because tienece è tenere, tenerci, ok? Quindi tenere a lei, to the lady, the dead lady, ok? Allumata, lit. Allumata significa accesa in italiano, ok? Alright guys, now let's read all in English. Down you have in Italian. Let's read in Italian, okay? And then finestra che luccicavi. Finestra che luccicavi e ora non luccichi. È segno che l'amore mio è malata. Si affaccia la sorella e me lo dice. L'amore tuo è morta ed è stata seppellita. Piangeva sempre perché dormiva sola. Ora dorme in compagnia dei morti. Vai nella chiesa e scopri la bara. Vedi com'è ritornata l'amore tuo. Da quella bocca da cui uscivano fiori, ora ne escono vermi. Oh che pietà! Sacerdote mio, abbine cura, una candela, tienila sempre accesa. Addio finestra, restate chiusa, che ora l'amore mio non si può affacciare. Io non passerò più per questa strada, vado al cimitero a passeggiare, fino al giorno che la morte ingrata mi farà l'amore mio andare a trovare. Beautiful. Alright guys, again, let's read in English and final again in Napolitan, okay? The window which used to shine. The window which used to shine shines for me no more. A sign my beloved is sick. Her sister appeared and told me, your beloved is dead and buried, crying always, for she slept alone. Now she sleeps accompanied by the dead. Now she sleeps with the dead. Go to the church and open her casket. Look at your beloved one as she looks now. From those lips flowers used to come out, now worms come out of that. Oh, what a pity. You, Father, my priest, take care of her. Always keep a candle lit for her. Final Neapolitan only, okay? Usually when I recite before ending the video, when I read the last time in Neapolitan, I try to interpret it more profoundly, okay? I don't follow the musical meter, guys, okay? That is my purpose also, even if I know the song, but I don't like to follow the musical meter, because I must be very clear when I read, so you may better understand. Okay, then you are free to hear how many version and I put 3 links of the video of the song. Finestra caduciva e mo non luce. Signe, canenna mia sta ammalata. S'affaccia la sora e me lo dice. Nella toia è morta e si è atterrata. Chiagneva sempre che dormiva sola. Mo dorme con li morti accompagnata. Mo dorme con li morti. Va in da chiesa e scopre tutto avuto. Vira nella toia come è tornata, come si è ridotta, mo. Ah, che la bocca che nasceva nesciura, mo nasce nelle verme. Che pietà, che sofferenza. Oh sì, parrucchiana mia, abbi sicuro, una lampa sempre tienici allumata. Addio, finestra mia, arrestata chiusa, che ora l'amore mio non si può più affacciare. Io non ci passerò più per sta strada, ma con cimitero a passeggiare. Anfino un giorno che la morte ingrata mi farà l'amore mio vorrei un'altra volta andare a trovare. Alright guys, okay guys, I put four links. One is the text Italian English, even if I have to, I have to put some correction, but it's nice website, napoligrafia.it. Then I put an amazing video from Roberto Murolo, one of my favorite when I need to feel the meter, okay, precisely, and the cadenza. Then I put a video from an amazing tenor. I forgot the tenor. I will write down. I will write down. Amazing, very very nice tone, beautiful. And then I put the score from musescore.com. That is very famous. I used also in the past when I was playing. I used this music score. It's a huge library of scores, music scores, okay, from endless artists and musics. Okay, so you may have an idea also from a musical meter side. Okay, that's beautiful. All right, guys, thank you very much and see you next. Bye. Ciao.